Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mithun, and in this YouTube tutorial I'm gonna walk you through the entire process of recording a video using Camtasia Recorder. I'm gonna show you various options that are available in the Camtasia Recorder panel, and I'm also going to show you how you can add effects, split the clip and import the clip onto Camtasia editor, and after everything is done from your end, how the export feature can be used to export high quality video footage of that particular recording. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. As you can see on my screen, I have Wikipedia's page, and mostly these days people usually record their screen for capturing the web page of a particular portal. And for that particular reason, I have switched from Camtasia to PepoCloud. PepoCloud is an amazing web application that lets you capture, record and share your screens without breaking a sweat. On top of that, it is a web application, so I don't have to install anything on my computer. All I have to do is go to pepocloud.com and get started with using the platform. So if you don't want to use Camtasia, you always have PepoCloud as an option. Now let's jump to the tutorial and start the Camtasia recorder. You can either start the Camtasia recorder by clicking the recorder icon or recorder logo that's available in your computer. As soon as you click on it, it will actually appear on the screen, and now you can actually select these options and tweak them in order to make sure that the final recording is of high quality. As you can see, it has already selected a region of my screen, which I think I selected in an earlier recording. And in this region option, you can see there are multiple options available. First one is the full screen option, which essentially records the entire screen of the window or your computer monitor. And then comes the custom region option. This is where you actually get to choose which particular area you want to record. Then there is widescreen option, which is 1080p. Which is the full HD resolution, which will essentially record your entire screen if you have a full HD computer screen. Then there is 720p recording, which is not actually good these days because most of the computer screens today are of 1080p resolution or more. And then there is also an option to record for Instagram, which is of 640 by 640 resolution. If you're recording your screen for publishing on Instagram, I would still recommend you to use a higher resolution as compared to this one, because the outputted video will be of very low resolution and you don't want to upload that to Instagram. So for this tutorial's sake, I'm gonna select the choose region option, and as soon as I select that option, there will be a crosshair and a perimeter that appear on my computer screen. It will automatically select an area, thinking or assuming that this is what I want to capture. So I can either click on the screen to capture the entire automatically selected area, or I can actually click and hold and drag to select the custom area on the screen that I want to record. Once that area is selected from my end, I can then go to this particular option, which is the webcam option, and select the webcam if I want. Since I'm recording this video and my webcam is accessed by OBS right now, so it won't be available to be accessed using this software right now. The microphone is actually active, and you can select from different microphones that are available in your computer. Now the fourth option is to actually activate or deactivate the system audio. Let's say you are creating a tutorial or you're recording a screen to share with your colleagues or friends. You can actually enable the system audio option to capture the audio that is happening in the system. Once all the settings are configured and selected from your end, and the region is also selected, you can click the record button by pressing on this record icon. As soon as you click on the record icon, the recording will start after the 3-second counter. You will see that there is this particular panel that appears on the screen. This is only visible to you if you export the video using Camtasia editor. This is not going to be visible to the viewer who views the video, and the final exported video will not have this particular panel appearing in the screen. So don't worry about it if you get freaked out by seeing that this particular panel is in the eye shot of the video capture. Just forget about it and scroll down and scroll up a bit so that we can actually edit that particular footage in the Camtasia editor. Once all of the capture and recording is done, you can either cancel or minimize this option using this minus button, or you can actually restart the recording or pause the recording if you want to take a break and return back to your desk after a while. Now I'm gonna click on the stop button to completely stop this recording. As soon as the stop button is clicked, it will actually import the recording onto my Camtasia editor. As you can see in the screen recordings section, we have a recording, and this is the one that was recorded right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna empty my timeline by selecting everything and deleting them, and I'm gonna drop this particular clip to that timeline. And as you can see, the clip is imported to the timeline, and now I can edit it using my computer. As you can see, the clip is there, and all the other area that was not visible on the region is not actually recorded, and everything else is recorded. So now I can split this clip into multiple parts by selecting the clip and pressing the S button on my keyboard. As you can see, I have actually divided this clip into two parts. Now what I can do is either I can actually trim this video or actually add transitions to this video if I want. And once everything is done from my end, I can what I can do is I can actually export this video. I can actually export this video by simply clicking on this export button and selecting the local file option. In the local file option, you will see that there is an option to insert the project name. I will just name the project as test2, and you can also select the save location. I'm going to leave it at that, and then I'm going to head over to this advanced settings panel, and here you will see that there is an option to actually select the dimension for this project. I'm going to leave it at that, but if you take a look at that, you can actually export the footage at 2K or 4K resolution as well, which is really amazing because as we all know, video production is moving towards better quality output. So if you are exporting at 4K resolution, it will actually future proof your tutorials and video content. You have various other options that you can export, and if you don't find your preferred dimension, you can actually create the specific one that you want by inserting them manually here. I'm actually going to select the current project dimension and click the export button right here. The export process will start, and depending on the size of your video, the render process may take some time. So be seated and wait for it to complete. Once the process is completed, you will be shown a pop-up with which you can actually either close the pop-up or view the media or open the file location where the file is saved. So that was my tutorial on Camtasia Recorder and various features that it has on offer. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. I will see you in my next tutorial. Till then, take care and bye bye.